Okay, so welcome back. Today I'll be going over Fruity Soft Clipper. Now, this is a volume limiter. It uses soft knee compression, and it's just got two knobs, so it's very basic to get the control or get the hang of using this. So I've just got a basic 808 here. You can find that in my free drum kit, link in the description. But I'm just going to mess around with these knobs and show you what they do. So you can get some nice sounds without clipping. It's just a compressor, pretty much. Not much more to it. It's pretty easy to get the hang of. It is people call it the secret sauce for a lot of drums in FL Studio. I'd urge you to experiment with it. You really can get some cool results out of it. But that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.